Ether Treasuries target yield, but risk looms, says Wall Street broker Bernstein. A $1 billion Ether Treasury could generate as much as $50 million in annual yield, the report said. Ether, ETH Treasury firms are emerging with a new playbook. Treat the cryptocurrency not just as a reserve asset, but as yield-generating capital. In recent months, several companies have unveiled Ether Treasury strategies that generate passive yield through ETH staking. These include BitMine Immersion Technologies, BMNR, and SharpLink Gaming, SBET. According to a report from Wall Street broker Bernstein published on Monday, these companies are structuring treasuries around the second-largest cryptocurrency, staking assets to earn operating income while supporting the network's financial base. While Bitcoin BTC $115, 732.01 treasuries like strategies, MSTR, favor liquidity and passive holding, Ether treasuries are leaning into staking yields, currently just under 3%, though historically ranging between 3% to 5%, the report noted. A $1 billion Ether treasury could generate $30 million to $50 million in annual yield, Bernstein estimates. But with that income comes complexity. Ethereum's staking model offers yield to holders rather than miners, requiring active capital deployment and more intensive risk oversight. Unlike strategies' highly liquid Bitcoin reserves, Ether staking introduces liquidity constraints. Unstaking can take days, creating potential mismatches in times of volatility. More advanced strategies, such as restaking or decentralized finance-based, DeFi, yield farming, amplify smart contract and security risks, the report said. Treasury managers will need to balance yield optimization with institutional-grade custody and risk infrastructure. Still, Bernstein expects leading Ether treasuries to manage these trade-offs effectively. With nearly 30% of Ether supply staked and another 10% locked in DeFi, combined with ongoing ETF inflows, the report suggests strong structural demand for ETH in the near to medium term. Supply, meanwhile, remains relatively flat. The analysts remain bullish on Ether and its ability to support treasury-scale capital strategies, as long as liquidity and risk are handled with discipline. Read more. Analyst says ETH could hit $13,000 as early as Q4, with $8,000 as his conservative target. Will Canny is an experienced market reporter with a demonstrated history of working in the financial services industry. He's now covering the crypto beat as a finance reporter at CoinDesk. He owns more than $1,000 of SOL. AI Boost indicates a generative text tool, typically an AI chatbot, contributed to the article. In each and every case, the article was edited, fact-checked and published by a human. Read more about CoinDesk's AI policy.